Ooh, this was a twist we almost missed. Sounds like the judge in the Diddy case is saying you can't hide behind your accusation, young lady. You must step forward. I'll be back. Hey, let's get into this article that was just published 12 hours ago. It says New York judge sides with Diddy and not his accuser. Judge Mary Kay, let me see, I'm going to try to get this name, Viscosil, but after this, I'm going to just say Judge V, like Victor, gave the accuser until November the 13th to come forward. She says, you will not be able to hide behind this accusation. Sean Diddy Combs has been hit with hundreds of lawsuits, many of which were filed by anonymous accusers, since he was federally indicted in September. With a growing number of accusations lining up at Diddy's door, it's likely getting hard to keep up with all the anonymous filers. But this week, a judge ruled that one of Combs' accusers has to step forward and reveal her identity or else. The unnamed Tennessee woman alleges Combs S. assaulted her in 2004. According to her, she was a college student at the time. Diddy threatened violence against her. Despite her anonymous filing, Honorable Mary Kay V has given her until November the 13th to reveal her identity, according to TMZ. Judge V wrote in her ruling, simply put, allegations of S assault by themselves are not sufficient to entitle a plaintiff to proceed under a pseudonym. In rebuttal, the woman said if her name is published, she could be harmed by Combs or his team, but ultimately the judge's ruling still stands. Combs has had no contact with plaintiff for the approximately 20 years since the alleged R. And Combs is currently detained pending trial. The decision said, as such, counsel has not identified any present threat of physical harm to plaintiff. The judge acknowledged Diddy's position as a public figure and noted, plaintiff is likely to face public scrutiny if she proceeds in her own name. The court is not oblivious to the potential toll of such scrutiny on any litigant. But despite these concerns, the judge said, plaintiff's interest in avoiding public scrutiny or even embarrassment does not outweigh the interest of both Combs and the public in the customary and constitutionally embedded presumption of openness in judicial proceedings. Judge V referenced other accusers who have chosen to reveal their identities, like Combs' ex-girlfriend Cassie Ventura. With that, the judge also said Combs is entitled to his own investigation into his accusers and their credibility, reports ABC. Now that is something. I had a conversation with someone earlier, when I discovered the article, and I was like, you know what, to be real with you, in all fairness, it doesn't matter what a person is accused of. They can be accused of something, of deleting kittens. They have a right to face their accusers. According to our Constitution, according to our laws of the land, they have a right. And we don't know how many of these cases filed against Diddy are legitimate. We don't. So what if half are legitimate and half are bogus? So you got these people coming in filing bogus cases against this man, making him look worse, and in all fairness, that's not fair, because he's been condemned before he even goes to trial. We even hear all the evidence. Let's be real with it. Some people just don't like Diddy. Some people know for a fact that he is a monster. Some people are speculating because of what he's being accused of. Some people have heard rumors about him since he started in the game, in hip hop. So a lot of it's speculation. A lot of it is based on what we have heard. Like me personally, I've heard things about this man since he started in the game. Some people just now hearing about him. So some people got their information from reading things online or looking at YouTube videos. So in all fairness, yeah, I want these people. If you listen, I'm the type of person, it's only so much you can just tell me. At some point, I want to see the evidence. Don't just keep telling me what somebody did. I want to see it, But some people can tell you a story that sounds so convincing, you don't even need to see evidence. But that's not smart, Anybody can come up and just accuse somebody of something and there's no evidence. That's not fair and it's not smart. But yeah, some of this stuff I want to see some evidence of it. Some things it just sounds too credible. I really don't even need to see it. And then what I think the bombshell was the Cassie Ventura security tape, at that hotel. That just really put a nail in his coffin, in my opinion. So it's like, wow, y'all kept, guys kept coming in saying, oh, it's just money grab. Oh, it's just a money grab. And then when this evidence came forth, it's like, oh, now you feel stupid, huh? So, what woman in her right mind, I'm not talking about the psycho crazy women, but what woman in her right mind will go around saying she got her ass beat? Be real with that. Who wants to go around? There's some women who have been in domestic violent relationships, and to this day, they will never tell you because they're ashamed. So what woman in her right mind will go around, saying that happened to her and it didn't? So when a woman came out saying that, and then you had a lot of men and women saying, oh, she just lying. I hope to God none of your family members or people you really love and care about go through that. Because I thought that was real stupid when people came out accusing her of lying. Especially the men. You guys got that real bad when a woman comes out and says what she's gone through with a man. And then some of y'all was around and saw it and you still lied about it. I don't like you. I don't like you at all. The ones who saw what these women went through with this man allegedly, and then you denied it. I didn't see that. I don't even like you. I don't even think you like yourself. But anyway, that's all I have for you guys. When I get more information, I will present it to you. And there's some information that I will present to the members group only. So check it out. You never know. You see what I'm bringing to you guys in public. You see what I'm saying? So imagine what I come across that I will only publish in the members group only. Okay, thank you for your time and attention. I'm signing out. See you in the next video.